Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to talk about a different course in MBA, that is Executive MBA. It is actually 1, 2 or maximum of 3 years program which is conducted in many colleges and many universities where you can do this course. And this is course designed for the experienced person, the person who is already in the job and in their company. If they want to explore their knowledge and explore their also to get the promotion, like being the president, vice president or CEO or higher post in the managerial post in their company, then they can do this course. Actually it is preferred for those people who are already in the job in their company, and it is, you can say, very flexible course. That is, you can do it while doing your job and without leaving your job. That is in the process that in the part time you can also do this course, and you can also do this course in the night class. Some universities run their night class for this course, but the fee is very high actually for this. Actually it is very special courses which is recently, you can say, it is launched, and it is not actually long running classes like that when you do an offline or in regular courses. It is actually also flexible in many ways. That is, it is also available in offline courses, online courses, and in many other college the classes in weekends. So there is a lot of flexibility while doing your job. You can do this course, that is MBA in Executive. It is maximum of 3 year or minimum of 1 year course. It is also a degree course. It is not a simple or any certificate course. It is also a degree in MBA Executive course, which is for the person who is already in the job scenario. So I have also made a video on how to prepare, and I have also made that video. You can also check it out in our description box. And this is the video mainly about executive courses in MBA. So friends, this course is available in many colleges, top IIMs also, and the best universities for this is Indian School of Business, ISB, Hyderabad. It is one of the high ranked universities, you can say, for this MBA Executive, and many other IIMs and a lot of more colleges like Xavier School of Management and also Faculty of Management Study, which is also the part of DU, Delhi University. So friends, this is very important course while doing your job, you can say, and if you are interested to increase your strength, your knowledge, your post, your promotion, then you can do this course while you are in the job. Otherwise you should not check it out, because it is not for the freshers, you can say, because freshers mainly do regular courses, 2 year program which is offered at the campus life and in the regular classes and while attending your classes. So it is only for the experienced person which is already in the company. And the basic things requirement for this examination, like you will also have to appear, you can also apply for these courses through the GMAT, CAT and other examinations. Some colleges also takes its examinations, and you will also have to provide your SOP, that is a statement of purpose. Why do you want to get this degree, or why do you want to do this course? That's why you will also have to give some written statement like that, or from the college body you will also have to submit some letter of recommendation, or from your company as well, to satisfy the criteria, because college will only take your admission when you are actually, letter of recommendation is for your working ability. They recommend that it is a good employment and he can do this course very well. That's why this letter of recommendation. And there is also a lot of colleges which also conducts their examination to enroll the students in this course. So this was a small video, and I just wanted to make you aware about this course, that is MBA Executive. It is also one of part of, you can say, MBA course about which not many students know about this course. So friends, tell me in the comment section how much did you like this video, and also share to your friends and family if you like, and if you are new then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching the video. All the best.